let me just make something very, very clear on today. I've been getting questions, about this particular Amazon vendor, and I've shopped there a couple times, but not enough to have an opinion, so turn to your neighbor and say opinion. Okay. I don't think the Amazon is connected to the main brand. They say it's not the same. They say it's not, so I don't know. Ooh, that's pretty. That ain't far off now. Dang. We have an elastic. If you have plans to shout or fight, put your elastic on, okay? Because what I don't want for your life is for your wig to fly off and then you end up on TikTok, okay? Don't be out here fighting. That's ugly, okay? That's passe. Y'all want to save a little change and still make it rain. This might hold. That's gonna be pretty. What's going on, y'all? I hope everybody is blessed and highly favored on today. I'm bringing you something from Amazon. This is actually from a brand. I don't think they're connected to the main brand. I don't think the Amazon is connected to the main brand, but when you have a main brand and then that brand seems to have an Amazon store, usually the Amazon store prices are cheaper. So, hey, I get a lot of questions about Isee Hair's Amazon store. Again, I don't know if they are affiliated with the main brand. I don't know. I don't know any of those ins and outs, but I do know I will shop their Amazon store because the prices are cheaper and I'm gonna see what they send, okay? That's just it. That's all. So this is not sponsored or anything like that. It's just like I do Love Me and Yes Girl and all the things. I'm gonna see about Isee Hair's Amazon store, okay? So I got a wig, and you know what? Generally, when I get curly wigs, I do the big fluffy, big ignorant curls, but very rarely do I do like the sleek kind of come up out the water curls and do a style with that. A nice cute water wave. Not a kinky curly, but a water wave, y'all. Yes. So I'm gonna do that today. I think this water wave, yes, and it's supposed to be 180% density. That's how they coming at it, but this is Amazon. I don't know. We about to see together through any weather. Oh, and you can already tell the difference. You see this? This is Amazon. You know all that beautiful packaging that you get when you order from this is what you're gonna get right here. And bam. Oh, y'all see these nails? These nails are from Amazon too. You know, I will find something affordable on Amazon. That's what's one thing about it. Hold on, let me get up off up in this box. That's what I'm trying to. Honey, ain't nobody gonna get in here unauthorized. Honey, this tape is great. Let's see what comes in the box first of all. They give you an HD wig cap. That's not Young Karen on there, honey. They starting to get tired of Young Karen. Bam. There's a difference. You don't get that full set, that gift set from the Isee Hair actual website. You get one or two things if you do it on Amazon. But depending on how this wig look, if we don't need that stuff, we'll save a couple dollars. Then that wig will still holler. You know what I'm talking about? Let's look at it though, because I really don't know. Now, for them not to be affiliated, I don't know. I'm not saying, because they say it's not the same. Their packaging is similar. This bag right here, because you know it tells you generally, that's what they do. They tell you, bam, water wave, and then right there to tell you the length, 24. If you can't see that, I'm very sorry. We have an elastic. If you have plans to shout or fight, put your elastic on, okay? Because what I don't want for your life is for your wig to fly off and then you end up on TikTok, okay? That's not what I want for your life. And let me say this too, because I know we have new cousins. Don't be out here fighting. That's ugly, okay? All right, it really is. We that's passe. We beyond that. We beyond that. That's passe. Ooh, that's pretty. Come on now. Now listen, this ain't far off. Come on. There you go. That ain't far off now. Dang. Now this is a 4x6. Y'all, I'm just gonna put this on. Y'all, listen, if y'all was trying to save a couple dollars, y'all want to save a little change and still make it rain. This might, hold a minute. That's gonna be pretty. Hold a minute. Water Wave HD lace front wig, wear and go glueless lace wig. This is a 4x6, 6 inches going across, 4 inches going back. 4 inches back is actually standard for a part, but y'all know I like my part to be you know what I'm talking about. The lace is pre-cut. Yes, it is. It is pre-bleached. I see it. Human hair, transparent lace. Depending on the length that you choose, that you know how the price goes. Okay. The more ignorant you get on the limb, the more ignorant you're going to get in that jacket pocket. Okay. Okay, that's all I'm saying to you. Yeah, totally glueless. That's what they say. I don't know. So that's that. So because I got 24 inches, this is like $170, okay, on Amazon. You don't have to get that long a length though, okay? I'm just telling you. If you go on the Isee Hair website to their Wear Go, not the M cap, because this is not an M cap. This is a Wear Go Water Wave 24 inches with bleach knots. It's $259. So yeah, I can't call it. I can only tell you, okay? It may not be the same, but it's not all that different. But the price is. So I'm just telling you, get all the gifts and stuff on Isee Hair. The packaging is beautiful. You get all the gifts. You get the whole pack of mink lashes, all the things. So, so I'm just gonna toss it on.
Let me see you toss it up.
Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Let's see if we can work this Amazon wig. Hold a minute.
Get out the way. Who got a watch? Who got the time? I'm racing the clock. Even in my feelings, grind don't stop. Got big dreams, want big rocks. I got plans, you got talk. Heard it's real cheap, but it's really gon' cost. I'm trying to get these ends, building empires with my friends. I'm about handling my business. No time for stress over bush. You think success is an option? I'm trying to get this poppin' like woo. Big moves, my rules. Y'all heavy on the tweeting. I'll disappear a whole season like woo. Who said they looking for me? I'ma make you wait for it. Spend a few racks on a shopping spree. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. Tell them give it to me when I want it, please. Wait till I leg for it. Countdown for me. 12, 11, 10, 9. Ain't that I'ma make you wait for it. On my time. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. On my time. My time, my time, my time, my time. Order in the court. Me first, you short. On my time, been off yours, boss. To the floor. It's my time. You was for you, I was for us. You do the math, don't add up. Even on my worst day, down on my luck. I got the sauce, I'ma always come up. I tried it your way, that was a dub. I'm taking the wheel now, cause I trust me. I'ma go get these millions. I'm still hoping and wishing. You always had me waiting, and I'm about fresh out of patience. This time we switching positions. Now you under my submission, like woo. My rules, big moves. Y'all heavy on the tweeting. I'll disappear a whole season, like woo. Who said they looking for me? I'ma make you wait for it. Spend a few racks on a shopping spree. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. Tell them give it to me when I want it, please. Wait till I leg for it. Countdown for me. 5, 4, 3, 2. I want, I'ma make you wait for it. On my time. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. On my time. My time, my time, my time, my time. Order in the court. Me first, you short. On my time, been off yours, boss. To the floor. Ooh, it's my time. On my time. My time, my time, my time, my time. Order in the court. Me first, you short. On my time, been off yours, boss. To the floor. It's my time. You was for you, I was for us. You do the math, don't add up. Even on my worst day, down on my luck. I got the sauce, I'ma always come up. I tried it your way, that was a dub. I'm taking the wheel now, cause I trust me. I'ma go get these millions. I'm still hoping and wishing. You always had me waiting, and I'm about fresh out of patience. This time we switching positions. Now you under my submission, like woo. My rules, big moves. Y'all heavy on the tweeting. I'll disappear a whole season, like woo. Who said they looking for me? I'ma make you wait for it. Spend a few racks on a shopping spree. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. Tell them give it to me when I want it, please. Wait till I leg for it. Countdown for me. 5, 4, 3, 2. I want, I'ma make you wait for it. On my time. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. on my time. Order in the court. Me first, you sure. On my time, been off yours. Boss to the floor. Ooh, it's my time.